I'm Krishi and I'm from Jammu and Kashmir, currently pursuing BTECH in CSC from lovely professional university. I have an experience with coding languages such as C, Python, HTML, and CSS, and I know some of the JavaScript also. I have done many certifications, including technical and non technical. I have done a MOOC on communication skills by Skillera and C programming by Coding Tantra, including AI ML also. My strengths are that I am a good problem solver, critical thinker, and I have also great logical reasoning. I have done many projects, including creating a restaurant website using HTML and CSS for the front end and JavaScript for the back end. I have created very fun loving games also using Python, that is Alien Invasion games, and Rocks, Paper, Scissor games using JavaScript. I am open to all the challenges and learnings this company offers. Thank you.